How to buy NEZHA token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money to go some crypto. With the best referral code, simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram, their two Telegram channels they included on their X accounts. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token, its address is under the Solana. You're gonna open your Biscuit wallet for that or any wallet that you use. Click on wallet and select the Solana as from here. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now, it's the token address here. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find it. So after you find your token, click on it, click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT or any token that you have found on your wallet. So after that, type here how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So if this is how to buy NEZHA token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.